Kelly from PlaydatesParties.com, and I am here to show you how to make these adorable cake toppers that look like ice cream cones melting all over your cake. Now, I know you've probably seen all those cakes with the real actual ice cream cone on top, and I tried to make those and failed miserably, so I fell back on this. It's so easy and anybody can do it, so let's go ahead and do this. You can make two like I did, or you can make one. It doesn't matter, but they are so simple and I know you're gonna love it. So let's get started. So here we are in a new document in Cricut Design Space. And once you have the file uploaded right here, you see it in Cricut Design Space. We're gonna click on that and click Insert Images. Okay, now if you look at this, it is 7.149 inches wide and 5.279 inches tall. Now I want to make sure that it's not too wide for my cake. I want each of these to be roughly 3-ish inches across. I'm gonna have to ungroup all of this. There we go. So let's just make sure our width isn't too wide. It's easiest to tell with the cone. 2.113 inches wide, and that one's 3.2. I think this is a good size. So you're gonna need to measure your cake or know what size cake you're going to have and know what size you want. And of course, you can select them and increase or decrease the size according to the cake you have. So I'm gonna undo that because I liked the size everything was. Now, next you're gonna go over to these hash marks, and each of those, you're going to change that to draw. And again, draw. And then you're going to select the cone base and the hash marks and click Attach. Again, the cone base, hash marks, click Attach. Now we need to do the same thing with this little mark here. We're going to change these to draw. That one to draw. Click Attach, then click Attach again. Now you can change these to any color you want. For my purple one, I'm actually going to make this kind of a blue color. Change that to blue. So that's it. The file's ready to go at that point. Nice and easy. So then we're going to click Make It. Now, choose whichever size you're using. This time I'm using 8.5 by 11. So if you have scraps, you can use scraps, but I'm using new paper, so looks like I'm going to need 2 mats. Okay, once we clicked Make It, you're gonna check, I'm using light cardstock, so that works. Since I'm using a maker, we can use the pen in clamp A and the blade in clamp B. You can see it missed a little bit right here. Everything else looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna go and as best I can. Ooh, it's not great. This is why I have the Cricut do it for me, but that's okay. Hopefully yours won't do that. And we're gonna flip the over. 1, 2. And let's move on to the, now these did a lovely job. See, very nice. And we're gonna, again, flip it upside down, pops it out, nice and easy. Okay, so we have our 2 little ice cream cones. We're gonna have, and it's gonna look like this, roughly. Not trying to make it look perfect right now, but see, there you go. Cute. Okay, we can see it coming together. I'm gonna set this one aside, and I'm gonna flip this one over. And I'm gonna take and just add a little bit of hot glue right along there. Clean it up, and there you have it. Right, I have these bamboo skewers, 2 of them, 2 bamboo skewers. I like the pointy tip because it makes it really easy to cut into the cake, or to poke into the cake, but it's way too long. This is much longer than most birthday cakes will be. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set these aside. I'm only gonna keep one, and I'm gonna show you, whoops, set that one aside for now. You know, you want to keep probably, depends on the height of your cake, how tall your cake is. So I think for ours, I think this is gonna be more than enough. But I want to make sure, let's see, I've got it upside down. Don't do that. Don't make that mistake. So, yeah, this is plenty, but I wanna make sure I keep it, if we look on the back, I want to keep it along as much of this as possible because it's going to help give structure to the ice cream cone. I'm gonna eyeball it, and I'm using kitchen shears because I tried to use regular scissors and it didn't work. And I just kind of roll it and then roll it back over. That helps me make sure that it's along the right length. And there, it's stuck on there. See? Now you may need yours shorter if you've got, you know, you could probably, you want it to be long enough that it helps keep everything straight, but you could probably have cut off, you could probably have that much too.
And that's basically it. Feel free to use these cake toppers as is, or you can go the extra step and add a bunting between the 2 cake toppers, like I did in the pictures at the beginning and the end of the video. Either way, your cake is sure to be a hit. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments section below what type of projects you'd like to see in the future. Thanks so much, and I will see you again next time.